beautiful people, welcome back. In this video we will move further and we will discuss how we can actually edit the widgets sections, and also I will show you that how you can replace these social media links with your own links. So most of the main template settings will be available here inside the appearances and customize, and here in the customize section you can find out every section, every main section. So here you can see, if we go to general and if we go to the general settings, you will find out the favicon, and I already replaced the favicon and it will be available after a while. And similarly you can actually move back, and here on the main section you will see here the social section, here social media, and you can add your own links over here, and there are a lot of possibilities. You can use the QQ, Doban, Yandex, and Yahoo, WordPress. Lot of options are there. Okay, and also if for example you want to customize the categories and tags and archives style, etc., you can actually click here on the general, and inside this you can see we have search setting, we have category, tag, search and archive pages. So if we click here, you can see that you will find out lot of details over here, and you can customize the things according to your need. Definitely I'm not going to customize anything because I am very happy with the current style, but definitely if you want to change you can do so. Similarly you can go to search settings, and you can modify the search settings as well. So now it's time to change the widgets. And what are the widgets? If we click here, for example on any category page, you can see on the right side we have these widgets where we have the search bar on the top, and then after the search bar we have recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and follow us, and then you can see add here, then we have the recent posts, then we have this social feed, then we have the newsletter. Okay, so these are the sections which we can actually modify, and that modification can be done under the widgets section. So we can go to appearances, and then we can click on widgets, and then you will see that we will have a lot of widgets over here, you can see. Okay, so we can simply we can simply customize these widgets, or we can add our own widgets here as well. So for the instance, on the top we have the search bar, and I'm happy with the search bar. Okay, I will not add any optional placeholder. Then we have the recent posts, and the recent posts are here, and again the categories, and here are also the recent posts in a different style. So I don't need this one, I think, so we can just delete this section. So let's select this section, and after selecting definitely we can copy this section as well, duplicate this section if you want. Otherwise we can click here, and we will have the remove group option, so we can just remove the group. The recent comment section we don't need, and this group is will be deleted as well. Okay, so this is, I think, only the heading maybe. Okay, and update and recheck. And okay, maybe it's not saved yet. Yeah, now it's saved. Again, refresh, and for some reason it's not updated. Archives, yeah, now it's fine. You can see the comments and the recent post sections are not there here now, and that's good. Okay, so I have created some of the ads for the partner websites, and we will add that ads to the relevant sections as well. So here you can see that we have customized the main widgets and archives. If you want to make it visible, it's your choice, but for me, I'm not happy with this. I will just remove this thing as well, although it's quite useful, and maybe in a future we should show these archives as well, but for now I'm not using this. After that we have categories, which are fine, and then we have the follow us. So let's click on this follow us title and just make a heading sponsored, and okay, so now the title is changed, and now we have the image, and let's select the image, and you can see the title is there and the content is there, and you can see that actually this image is visible from the link, okay, from the path. Although we should have some image widgets as well, and we want to link as well, but I will show you that how you can utilize this, okay. Although we should have the image widgets as well, but I will definitely show how you can utilize this. So here on the link href, we will just change the website URL. So this website ad we will just place here, and let's add it here, and okay, and yeah, that's fine. And then this is the image, okay, and image is coming from this link, and we will actually remove this link with our link, okay. So for that purpose we will not use solid.demo something. We will just go to the WP content, okay, like this, and under the WP content we will have the file path. So before solving this, we will just upload the path. So let's go to the dashboard. So I will show you how you can do that, although this is a quite a different type of method, but I will show you this method as well, so that you should know that how we can actually add the things. And here you can see that we have the incern ad, okay, and now this incern ad is added. So we go to library, you can see this is added, and if we click on edit, you will see this is a image, and we will have the alternative text, etc. So we will say incern ad, okay, and you can add the captions, etc. and here is the file URL, okay. So what we will do, we will just copy this after the WP content till here, okay, and copy it, and now we will just move back, and here we will replace this thing with our own link. I think we have to add the Passport TV as well, but let's test it out later on. We will see, we will check it out. Top selling theme, this is the alternative text we can add. If you want to add it here, no issue, we can add it. So paid Unity assets, free download, okay, and that's it. And now if we update it, after the updated, let's test it out, and let's test that whether it's visible or not, and then we will move further. And yeah, you can see that not visible, and the reason is because we have to add the complete link, okay. So that is the reason. No issue, we will just move back again, and copy the complete URL, and then we will just paste it here. Don't only use the WP content, we have to add the complete link. And now hopefully it will be visible. Okay, why it's not visible? Okay, now it's visible after some seconds. Now you can see that our ad is visible, and if you click on the ad, you can see we are redirected on the relevant website, okay. So that's great, we have successfully added this. And these recent posts, I liked these recent posts, so we will keep it like this. And after that we have social feed, I don't like it, so let's delete that social feed, although you can definitely customize it, and you can add your own link here, okay, for that social feed URL, and you can get your own social feed here, but for now we don't want it, so I will just remove this. And then we have recent posts. Okay, recent posts are fine. Okay, so if for example we want to add another ad like this, we can just duplicate it, no issue. We can come here, we can click here, we can duplicate the module, and here you can see we have a new module. And I have just uploaded one more image. We can just copy the URL of the image, we can come here, we can just replace the URL, okay, paste it, and then definitely the main link, and then we can also change the alternative text if we want. And then we can just update it. Okay, so now we have created a new duplicate of this module, and definitely if you want to move it, for example if we want to move it under here or before the subscribe button, we can definitely move it by selecting, and here are these options of move down, okay. So let's click here, and now you can see it's moved down. Again, if we click again, we will be under the newsletter, but we don't want. we want a newsletter at the bottom. So now we will just update and everything looks good. So let's refresh the things and let's see if the ad is visible or not. So let's refresh it, and yeah, here it is. And if we click here, you can see we are redirected to this area as well. So that's beautiful. And now the thing is that we have changed the widgets, and in the next video we'll move further and we will finalize our website, hopefully the every aspect, and in next section we will move further. Goodbye.